This will be for the con exercise, points on the coordinate plane. So it says point G is graphed on the coordinate plane. That's right there. And they want to know which ordered pair represents point G. Okay, so these are all XY coordinates. All right, so here's point G, and we need to find the XY coordinates. Okay, so it's one number, comma, and one other number. All right, the first number is going to be the X coordinate, and the second number is going to be the Y coordinate. So we just have to trace this point to the X-axis and the Y-axis. Okay, the one that goes left, right, that is the X-axis. So let's do that first. Okay, here is our point, and if we trace it down to the X-axis, the X coordinate is -4. So that's going to be the first number. And the second number, you want to trace this to the Y-axis, all right? This one here, the up-down axis or vertical, is the Y-axis. So we go to the Y-axis, and we can see that it is in between 2 and 1. Okay, so this is actually 1.5. All right, so that is your Y coordinate. All right, 1.5. And if it's in between two numbers, it's going to be 0.5. So let's look for that answer, -4, comma, 1.5. And we can see that it is answer A. All right, here we have point Q, and they want to know what are, or write the coordinates for point Q. Okay, so it's still X, comma, Y, same thing we just did. All right, so let's see. So point Q is actually on the X-axis. Okay, this one here is the X-axis, and we can see it's in between -2 and -3. So it's going to be -2.5. Okay, it's in between -2 and -3. And then the Y coordinate, this right here is the origin, okay? That is 0 on the Y-axis. So if we trace this to the Y-axis, it's just 0. Okay, so the Y coordinate is 0. Remember, the first number is your X and the second number is your Y. So it's -2.5, comma, 0. All right, you just enter that in the box, -2.5, click tab, and then type 0. Okay, here they want us to drag the dot to the point 2, comma, 9. Once again, the first number is your X, and the second number is your Y. Okay, so let me see here. All right, I'm going to rewrite the 2, comma, 9 so it doesn't disappear on us. All right, I'm going to rewrite it right underneath the X and the Y. So this is going to be the X is going to be the 2, and the Y is going to be the 9. All right, now I can scroll down. So remember, the X-axis is the right, left. So I'm going to go to X equals 2 first. 1, 2. All right, again, this is the X-axis. And then for Y, I'm going to go to 9. All right, so I have to I can't move it left, right, but I want to go 9 units up. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So notice that I am still on X equals 2. Okay. If I trace this down, it would land on the 2. And I'm at Y equals 9. So that's it. To drag this point, okay, you left click on it. and you hold it down, and then you can drag it into the position. And then when you're finished, you just let go.